G'day, it's Phil again from PT Precision Automotive. I wasn't going to film this one because we do so many, haven't done very many V8 Landcruisers yet. So this is a 2010, it's a 1VD FTV engine in it, it's a V8. It's got 346,000 Ks. Now, when you get them, oh, this thing runs fine and does everything fine. So when you first look at the throttle body, we've stripped it all down right already. I didn't think it was going to be this bad. So that's what you see at the very top. Yeah, you can't really see anything in there. It's at the very top of the engine, right? So we've stripped it down. We found it's fucking horrible. That is the build-up that's inside. You can just, there you go, look at that. That is, well, you tell me what that is. It's fucked, right? So that's like that. This is your manifold. So it's top of your manifold. Oh my god. Right, Pat's doing this one. Look at this. Oh Jesus. That's in there, right? Sorry, I'm putting that everywhere. Your tube tops, mate. This is absolutely caked in. Have a look. Come around this side. That side here. A couple of torches up in here. So it's an almighty job, yeah? Torch is fucking gone flat. This is you can hardly put your finger through that inlet port, yeah? It is chock-a-block, both sides. The front cylinders are better than the back cylinders, but still no good. I didn't think it was going to be this bad. Yeah? I mean, just in doing that preventative maintenance, it's going to be huge. I mean, it's a V8 restricted by nearly half of its breathing capacity. So I've got to clean the intercooler, I've got to clean everything, yeah? I'm only going to do a short one, I'm not going to do a big spiel on this thing. If you want to look at the other stuff, have a look at the 1KDs that we do. It's exactly the same, but double trouble, yeah? Anyway. Right, so we've got this all back together. As I said, I wasn't going to take all the photos. It's taken us 2 days to get it all cleaned, all back together. We're now running the solution through the intake. We've got twin throttle body. So we do this side, then we do the other side, 20 minutes, and it takes about 45 minutes to run one bottle through. So I've already done one bottle. So this is the second bottle. Woo. There's plenty of smoke earlier. So it only injects between 12 and 17 seconds, but why I've decided to run a second bottle through it. It was so dirty. You got to wind the engine over to close all the valves off, so the shit doesn't go down through the valves. So it's going to be a good result. So it's not bad.